Hey, this is Joe from RealSuccess, and today we're going to talk about making a large amount of money through real estate. Many of the richest people in the world started in real estate. This is why real estate investments is so popular. There are 3 essential things you should know as an investor before jumping into your first deal. Number 3, know how market timing works. You should research how market cycles work and also sit back and watch all of it unfold for yourself. Don't jump in the first opportunity. The fact is, markets go up and markets go down. A lot of successful investors aren't looking for a 3-month buy and flip, and sometimes they are. So it's always good to see what the market is doing. Just keep an eye, and then you can just buy the property when the market is slow and sell it when the market is high. A lot of wealthy people always go against the current. When everyone is selling, they're buying. When everyone is buying, they're selling. Number 2, know how to analyze real estate numbers. Super important. You have to be able to identify all of the factors that are affecting your profit. There are 4 major parts of real estate investment: cash flow, appreciation, loan reduction, and tax benefits. You need to understand how the 4 factors work together to produce a rate of return. And number 1, know the economics of your area. You have to look beyond the simple growth of the neighborhood. You're investing in the overall health of the city, state, and overall country. For example, if interest rates are rising, you need to understand that borrowers are being cut out of the market. There's a lot of things you need to know before jumping into being a real estate investor. If you plan to do this as an investment, you need to obtain the necessary education, and it's up to you to take advantage of the resources available to you and do the work. Thanks for watching our short video section, and I hope this brought value to your investment career. These are the basics of making millions in real estate. And if you want to learn the ins and outs of real estate, click on the link below. This is my website where we teach people how to achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. I am here for you. We're in this journey called life together. Let's enjoy every moment and do what we truly love, whatever that is, and let's create real success for everyone.